while we are doing the session, it will get recorded. So that I have to upload again in the YouTube, then you will be getting the clarity. Okay.
Okay, okay, I got it, I got it.
Hmm. Yeah. Hi all of you. How are you? Lakshmi, Vaidehi.
Hi Kavita, all good?
Yeah, yeah. How was Ugadi?
Good. I was in Hyderabad for festival, so I got time to spend with kids.
Oh, again you came back to Hyderabad.
I came to Hyderabad and Monday midnight I'm back to Pune.
Super, you are enjoying.
What in traveling?
Yeah, take care of health also.
Sure, sure, yeah.
Yeah, actually, we need to start the new topics related to business rule, configurations, and all. But still, nobody is there. Just can let me ring to the group. If nobody is joining today again, then we'll do the mass change topic. Even I didn't went to home till now. I'm just sitting at one restaurant and let me complete the call and go. Because 2 days we didn't took the session, no? So if I am not taking today also, like people will lose the hands on.
You're still in the office, yeah? Okay.
From office I started, in traffic I got stuck up, so I'm just sitting at one restaurant cafe, kind of a cafe only. So join from there. Okay, maybe Kaushik is not joining, Bhavani is not there. Shobana, where is Shobana? Hmm. So presentation Monday we didn't took the session, no? So have you worked on the presentation? Hmm? Okay, if you haven't done that, it's okay, fine. You can do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So let's not waste the time. So here, tomorrow, please inform in the group that we have to join everyone, and it's main important topics. So before that, one more topic is left. Again, this is not from the content, but from the real time experience, like how we have to do the mass changes in the system. So, what are exactly the mass changes in any the information in the job information portlet or job relationship portlet? We will be having some fields. So, avoiding to avoid one by one changes, we will be doing the mass changes. So, to do the transaction, we need to have the permission first, which is manage permission role. We have to go to manage permission roles. Hope you are able to see my screen. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, Kavita, it is visible.
Okay. Okay. Now you will be coming here for permission. So here I'm just picking up any business roles which we have already created to give the permissions. Cool water है क्या? Cool water है क्या? Permissions, and here manage mass changes. This permission you should have to do these transactions, and here uh, once you click on the manage mass changes, areas where user has permission to make the changes. If you want to give it for all, you can just click on the all. And if you want to give it for only limited thing, then you can click on others. So here in this system, we don't have the job relationship for template, so we are not able to see. But we have job information. So we can select all here, and again same here. Mass change definition, user has permission to see. So here to see the information we are giving this permission. So once you have this permission, for every configuration, permission is must and should. So before doing any practice also, you try to log in with the permission, means start with the permission, then you go to the transaction. So we have already permissions. Now let's go to the transaction. Thank you. Water. Once you have this permission, then you can able to see this tool, which is manage mass changes. Okay, this is the tool where we will be doing the change. Now let us see the portlet where this change will affect. So first step is permission, second step is tool where we will do the configuration. Now let's open the employee profile, that where in which field we want the change. Suppose I want to take one employee, Barbara, and as I mentioned, manage mass change tool will only work for job information and job relationship. Job relationship is not available in this demo system. So let's go with the job information. And job information template will be available in the employment portlet. Okay. So job information. In this job information, if you get any requirement, the client is saying that change the pay scale for all the employees or one employee, change the job classification, title, standard weekly hours, regular type, anything what you are able to see in these fields. So you, if you get the requirement to change for one employee or multiple employees, then you no need to come in employee profile. With the help of manage mass change tool, you can do the changes. Understood the concept? Hello?
Kavita,
Hmm.
after coming to manage mass changes,
Hmm.
so we have to go to employee template, right? Employee profile page.
I'm just explaining you. Now configuration not yet started. What is the scenario? Why we will come
Mm-hmm.
here? Those things only happening.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
requirement is your client is asking you to change the job in the job information. Suppose he is asking you to change the standard weekly hours. Okay. For one employee, for 100 employees or standard employee, any kind of employees.
Okay.
Then without coming in the job employee profile, if it is one
Mm.
employee, you can do in the job information template. Means one
Mm.
employee you can do. But what if it is for multiple employees, like particular department, division? So every time we
Okay.
cannot do the manual change, right?
Okay.
So to avoid that one, we have a tool called manage mass changes.
Mm.
Okay. So
Okay.
now here, how we came here with the help of permission. We have already given the permission. So we are able to see the manage mass changes. Now let us create the configuration. So what is our requirement? Our requirement is client is asking us to change the standard weekly hours. Okay.
Mm.
So 42, let's keep it as 80 hours. Okay. Now
Mm.
create new. Lakshmi is there in the call?
Yes, she is there.
You have to do the configuration. So our it says weekly hours we are changing, right?
Mm.
Weekly
Yes.
hours change. You can give the name. And here, as I mentioned, you can do it for one employee and you can do it for multiple employees, means particular division, department, anything. So here, if you have already group, you can select a group. If you don't have the group, then you need to create a dynamic group. So to create a dynamic group, we will be directly landing up on the page if we click on the create. Just create, and here you can give the name group. You can give any name according to requirement. Now, as I mentioned, you have to create a group. That group can be with city, country, or user, division, department. From anywhere you can pick up the group. So as of now, for testing purpose, I'm taking for only one employee. Okay. So let us take as if it is one employee, we can go with the user. I hope you know this how to create. We have done this one. Job relationship means you're a person, you're an employee, you are assigned to your reporting manager, HR manager, matrix manager. How the relation will work. That is that those kind of inputs will be available in the job relationship. So Lakshmi asked me this through the chat. So hope Lakshmi you got it. Now here we have selected as a user. So let us create. Let us take username. So we will take the Barbara and finished. So if you are taking group of people, then you can just update here, then it will show how many people are there. If you are taking, if you want to exclude anything, then again you have to exclude from here. This we already done. So finished. Now our group has been created. In this group only one person is there. We are doing for only one person. Effective date, from which date the transaction should happen. I'm just keeping the date. Now area of mass changes. Here the job information you have to select, and once you select the job information, it will ask you the event reason. Okay, event reason can be configured by going through manage org pay and job structure. And once let me select the field first, in which field we want to change the data. So this is standard weekly hours field. So you can see here all the fields are available which you are able to see in the job information template. So you can select any field and you can do the change. As of now, I'm just taking standard weekly hours. Now our old value is 40. Let me take the new value as 80. And here, whenever you are doing the event data change, you have to give the event reason. So this can be done through manage organization pay and job structure. So already I have created one. I'm just taking this. Again, this event will come at that time. I'll show you again. Now save and initiate. So if you want to take it for one more field, again you can select for one more field. Job information, which field you want to change. So let us test it for one now, and then we will do the another. Save and initiate. So it is giving you the confirmation that it will change the one employee record. Here it is showing the status initiated. Okay, so it will take some time to complete. So you can see all mask changes which we have created earlier, and here my mask changes means who is the person creating this one. So these are the my mask changes means from the profile whatever we created. As of now this is just initiated and it will take some time. So where it is our okay. So we have given 100, 80 we have given, right? Hello, anyone observed?
Yes, Kavita, we gave 80, not 100.
Yeah,
Yes, Captain.
this is not ours. When we use our rent, we have given weekly hours change, right? The name,
So we gave standard weekly hours, field name.
no, not field name, the mass change name.
Mass change name, we gave
Yeah,
it as weekly hours change.
yes, this one. So it is completed successfully. You can see here, completed successfully and executed by who has been executed. This person name, employee group, weekly hours change, and one person, effective date, job history, number of records successfully processed to one. Successful change is 80 hours with this event reason and employees for Barbara. You can also download the complete file, CSV file as well if you are when you are doing for multiple employees. Now the configuration is fine. We got the success message as well. Now let us go to employee profile and check. So now it is showing 40, which is the previously we have opened. Let's refresh the employee profile. Barbara, where we will be seeing that information, where we have to go,
Job information.
where it will be job information,
Employee profile. Portal.
employment,
Huh.
employment, okay.
Okay.
And here you can see the standard weekly hours has been changed to 80. Okay. So this is the work of a managed mass change tool in the success factor. You can change any information what you are able to see here and for one employee and for multiple employees as well. Clear? Samiksha, this is the topic what we were discussing in the morning session also. So hope you are clear now.
Not
Yes,
completely
Kavita.
actually, but
At least you understood the concept why we are using managed mass change tool.
yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
Kavita, in this, can we change work location also? For example, in A building, previously office was there. Now they
Hmm.
want to shift it to C building, C block.
Hmm.
So we can do this address change also, right?
Yeah, yeah, we can do that. If field is available in this job information, and
Mm-hmm.
then you can do. In this field is if you are able to see the field, then you can do that one.
Okay, so we have to change only where the fields are available. For that
Yeah.
only we can do.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes,
If the field is not available, then we have to create the field and then we have to do it, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
So this is very important actually. Uh, like I'm sharing you the definition what you have to answer in the interview. So just take it purpose, functionality of the tool as it is very much important. clear? Lakshmi, you're clear? Today we are unable to hear Lakshmi. Mic issue is here. Okay. Okay, so you can practice on this one. You can try all the fields, whatever available in the job information, and let me know if you find any issues. And we will continue another topics when everyone is here, because as I mentioned, I request everyone to join the session for major topics. Do all these changes are required workflow approvals? No. The changes you are doing in the mass change, that is not required. If you are going in an employee profile and doing that, and if workflow is configured, then it is applied. Whether you have any questions?
No, Kavita. This topic is clear.
Okay. So you can continue the practice, because
Okay.
another topics I cannot take, and I will inform in the group to join from tomorrow, everyone. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So as only we are three people, we can end up the call. Or if you want, I will stay till you practice. Okay. Okay, then I will leave, guys. You can practice. Let me know. After reaching home, I will share you some practice questions on this topic. Is it fine? Okay. Vaidehi, it's okay. Samiksha.
Yes, Kavita. We will practice here.
Yes, Kavita, we will practice.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then I will make a leave. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.
Thank you, Kavita. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Yes, Kavita, you too.